Good morning guys, I've just come down to have my breakfast and start the day. So today I'm planning to go to Camden Town, which is like approximately 20 minutes by train. So today I'm planning to take the train and hopefully not get lost. I will be expecting to meet some friends, and I did meet them last night, and we have a plan to go to Camden Town this morning. So let's see how it goes. So I'm heading to Camden Town, and I've heard a lot about this place because it has more festivals, music, street performances, and then there is a canal that connects to something called as Little Venice, and I'm really excited to see it. But I think it's going to be just another market. I'm not sure where I'm heading to right now, so I'm going to check it on the board. It's pretty easy if you have something like this that helps you understand. So now I have to take the Northern Line. I'm here right now, so I have to head to Camden Town. That's here. So let's head to platform 3. You can use your debit card to actually travel here because it's so much more convenient. I don't have the metro line card, taking the trains for the first time, so I'm just gonna like figure out what and how to do it. I really like to explore such things because I don't know where to head, and then I really like to get lost and then find my way because that gives me so much of pleasure. I don't know if that makes sense. I think it's easy to kind of follow these guidelines because everything is written here and it's very clear. What train is this? I think any train here goes to Camden Town.
Road. Change here, the Central Line and the Elizabeth Line. This is a Northern Line train terminating at Tyburn.
Excuse me, will this go to Camden Town? So finally here, just heading out, and there's a lot of crowd. I'm not sure how to get this because I forgot to download the map to Camden Town. Heading to meet my friends now, and they are waiting at Gelato, so I'll have to go see them there. I think I missed it. I'm looking. Where the fuck is Gelato? What's up? Hi.
Where's Starbucks?
That side.
Are you going to come in your vlog?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Hi. Camera shy?
Wow, like,
Why are you moving with your bags everywhere?
Arey yaar, now what to tell?
It's going to be uncomfortable. So this is one of my friends, Regan, from back home.
What's up?
Everything is so colorful here.
Yeah. But this reminds me a lot of it.
Please, yeah. The road is not colorful at all. Everything is colorful. Street arts and stuff like this. It feels like a different town altogether. Even the zebra crossing has like LGBT flags. You don't mind if I vlog?
You might become famous and I need to get like some.
Yeah, sure.
No, the football no, like.
If it goes viral, you never know. Is it a nose ring?
This one?
Yeah. How much
Sure,
is this?
sure. The £6 or two for £10.
£6. Do you have a smaller one?
Yeah.
Can I see it, please? I just picked up something for £10. What's that called again? The nose ring. He says it's 16 karat gold.
In London buying rings.
Sorry?
In London buying jewellery.
Thank you. Maybe he's just
buying gold in London.
maybe he's just bullshitting me and it's not gold. Maybe it's fucking gold plated but not gold. Oh, I think this is the canal that connects to there's something called as Little Venice over here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So I think we should let's go there now. Oh, they have this lock system thing again. I think this is the canal that goes. Oh, that's the canal that goes this way, and there are locks. Slippery, So I think this is the bridge that actually has this. They have these like little boats everywhere, and this is what connects to Little Venice that is on that side. So Little Venice is like 2 miles away. So this whole thing, I think these are the boats they use. I lost my friends, so I'm just going to be exploring alone now. I think it's pretty cool. They have it everywhere. Can I try it?
I'll take video. It's nice.
It's like sweet. What is it?
Halwa sweet is a maida.
Oh, it's Indian.
It tastes like
Indian sweets everywhere. Everything is made of it. Like everything has some Indian twist in it. Hey, this looks good, yeah. The song is also Indian, man. Oh, nice. Wow. They have dal rice.
You can choose any 3 curries.
Any 3 curries. Okay, so dal, something spicy. What's spicy here?
Chili pickle, lime pickle.
Ah, chili pickle. And this is what? Mango? Lime. No, I think I'll have chili pickle. I'm gonna eat Indian food in London. It's good, na? I think after all, only Indian can like sort you out. Like I feel like there's no other food that can beat Indian food in general or Indian street food. But this is like home food, man.
Yeah.
This is like literally home food.
Very nice.
Like there's dal, rice, and then there are veggies. I would literally eat this at home in India. Yeah, there has to be a way to get out of this place because I think it's high time I go. It's so crowded. Let's leave, man. It's super crowded. Let's go the other side or something. Where I feel so bad with this bag.
It's fine.
It's too much of noise. Both of us, yeah, we don't have a date.
We don't have problems.
But we don't have a date for New Year's.
You'll get by the end of the day. You'll get aram.
Who knows?
Aram se.
You have to.
I'll go back to India.
Yes, I kept my life.
What did he say?
Yes, I get my like.
So funny, yeah. It says to help punk to get drunk. That's what written on his poster. That's so cool. I think he's homeless.
I will sit like that.
Yeah, there are a bunch of homeless here. I saw them, not too many, but like just a few of them.
Yeah, there are.
I saw them on the street. But it's damn cold, man. I don't know how they survive, honestly.
Yeah, so many jackets and all.
Even the
But
voice
still-
gets recorded on this.
Yeah.
of course.
So now even this, what I said, got recorded.
Yeah. I will be one of them. You said no, something like that. So my friends left and I'm heading back home because I'll be doing something tonight. It's New Year's Eve and probably we will be going to London Eye for fireworks and that's it. And the worst part is that I lost my hat, my beanie in the train because I was so stupid. Shit. So yeah, that's about it. And honestly, in my opinion, Camden is good if you really want to shop and see festivals and stuff like that. But that's about it. There's nothing too great about the place. Guys, so for the last 5 days that I've been in London, the most busiest street in central London is Oxford Street. There's absolutely no words for it because it's been so busy, but also I've come at the peak time of the year between Christmas and New Year's and it's really a happening area. Personally, in my opinion, I see that people in central London are mostly tourists because it has literally all of the tourist spots in central London. For example, London Eye that I visited literally 2 days ago, then Hyde Park and the Tower Bridge, and so all of these things that are tourist attractions are in central London. So I wanted to try what the hype is about and so I'm here. What I can't believe is that New Year's Eve was literally packed with people. There was absolutely no way to even walk and it's the 1st of Jan and there is barely anybody on the street. I think around this time people come in and even leave, so flight tickets are really expensive and stuff, even to head back. So yeah, this is basically the peak time to come to London. So in very crowded places there are pickpocketers in London. You need to be very careful with your belongings because honestly I have my camera and my phone and my laptop and stuff and I usually travel with that, so it doesn't make any sense for me to like, you know, stay in a hostel. I mean, yeah, it's not really safe to stay in a hostel if they have things like that happening. And yeah, it is definitely wiser to get a hotel. That's why I keep the bag right here inside and then I wear like a jacket on top and I kind of seal it. So I've been doing this my whole trip and my things are really safe like that. My hotel was really safe also. There were no weird people around and stuff. I'll put it in the description. So all in all, London was a really good experience as a solo traveler. It's really safe to come here as a solo traveler, but you need to be careful with your belongings. So one of my friends, she came here during the summer and she got robbed. So yeah, there are stories like that, but then there are also stories that you need to experience yourself, so might as well each to his own. So I try to vlog the places that I've been to in this whole trip, and if you haven't watched that video, link it in the description below. And yeah, that's about it. So if you haven't watched any of my videos from the past, from Georgia, Ladakh and Dubai, you must visit my channel and drop a comment about what you think, and also drop comments for my future videos. I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can. It's very difficult when you have a job, so nevertheless, it's not impossible, it's doable. Take breaks from your work, go on trips, find yourself, lose yourself, do everything you want to do. Life is short, be happy. Thank you, thanks for watching.